Auto companies are going all in on electric vehicles, but are Michigan roads ready for them? Walter Murphy is looking into it.
On average, electric vehicles weigh 30% more than their gas-powered counterparts, and that's because the batteries that power them are significantly heavier. That's also becoming a problem because roads here in Michigan and across the country have not caught up to that technology yet. Electric vehicle sales are spiking, climbing to 1.6 million in 2023. But safety concerns for EVs is also growing. This crash test, conducted by the Midwest Roadside Safety Facility at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, shows a 7,000-pound 2022 Rivian R1T electric pickup truck ripping through a guardrail at 60 miles per hour. That rail didn't slow the truck down much either, and that's because most guardrails aren't designed to withstand the force of vehicles greater than 5,000 pounds.
We do have to rethink those things. You look, EVs and even EV roads and EV cars, they're going to be here because Michigan cannot stand by and stop while the world is advancing.
Beverly Watts is the president of COMTO Michigan, a nonprofit which focuses on training leaders for the rapidly evolving transportation industry. She says that the weight of EVs on safety infrastructure is bad enough, but it's also creating rough roads in the form of potholes.
Can't use the same old mix for new innovation in the future. They're going to weigh more, so the road agencies throughout the state will adjust with those materials.
According to Wayne County Public Services, it costs taxpayers $220,000 per mile to resurface our roads. But Watts believes Detroit and the entire state of Michigan could be the best incubator for reinventing the auto industry once again. But she says it'll take time.
You want things done better, built back better. You want a quality product, and that can't happen fast because first you got to work out the kinks. You got to get that design. You got to see what works and what doesn't work. That's why it's going to take time.
I did reach out to the Michigan Department of Transportation. They declined giving me an interview. However, they did tell me that they're working with federal partners to figure out a way to solve this emerging issue. Reporting downtown, I'm Walter Murphy, CBS News, Detroit.